Alright, so we're going to do a little quick speed run. Got it zeroed out. This is the 1/16 scale gantry conqueror brushed. We have signal. What the heck? Alright, registered a mile an hour. Okay, cool. Lauren, you gonna run this? What? Huh? Want to get her up to speed. What? Oh, I might need to put a fresh battery in there. Delay game. So that was 13 miles an hour with the dead battery. So that's not too bad start. Your daddy's a dodo. All right, fresh battery now. We'll try this again. We're going to be using this. It's a 7.4 16 milliamp. This one's come out of the XLF 650. They're probably the one with the most punch out of all the batteries I got for the little 2S ones. Maybe those other ones we got with the 110 scale, but I haven't really tried. All right, let's try this again. Turn your steering, Lauren. Beautiful. Hold on a minute. We're almost set. All right, let's try this again. It's gonna get over 13. Much better. These things are so fun. Whoa, whoa! Oh, we're beeping. So what does it say? 22 miles an hour. Not bad. Let's see if we can get higher. That's a 2S LiPo. Like I said, ain't nothing special. They come with the XLF X650, the Sport 18, the brush version. Shocks are definitely bouncy. Whoa, good brakes. Whoa. I dig it. Yeah. This is the first time we really had it on a concrete. The other day it was all gravelly. All right, you're good with that one? All right, so yeah, that was it. 22. Not bad, not bad. I dig it. Time for the 110.